Hi everybody, this episode is gonna be a bit different, but I like it because I'm gonna tell you what I would do when I buy a used car. First things that I would do is buy new suspension, big wheels, engine tune and a proper exhaust. No, all jokes aside, in this episode we are not gonna talk about any mechanical parts, that's for another topic. First, I like to start by removing all dirt and grime that is left over in the interior from a previous owner or owners, and especially on contact points, which means steering wheel, pedals, door handles and gear stick. Secondly, what every used car definitely deserves is a proper seat clean. Whether it's leather or fabrics, you never know what happened in these seats. You might be surprised what comes off or comes out. Next, when you have bought your used car, it might have been from a heavy smoker that has never cleaned the inside of his windows. So a proper window clean is mandatory because it will increase your visibility. Safety first. So now we start by tackling the exterior of the car, a proper hot water wash with a degreasing agent to reveal the true state of the paintwork. You might be surprised what pops up. After the hot wash and you see the true state of the car, it's up to you to choose which route you want to go. You can go for a soft protection like wet coat or a wax, or you can go all the way by decontaminating the car. By the way, we made a very nice video about that. You can check it out here. You can do proper polishing, protect it with a coating. All up to you, all up to your expectation. I hope you liked this episode. I'm out for now. Good luck with your second-hand car. Ciao.